There's oil leaked all over this, man. I'm gonna have to tell them this, and I don't even really want it. To be honest, man, I don't want no leaky ass. If it's leaking already, like, come on, man.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Didn't I have another box? Sure did. Sure damn did. What we got? Come out. Carb choke cleaner. Anybody with a lawnmower, a small engine, anything that motor with carbs, you know what this is for. Definitely need that for the dirt bike. Especially the cheap chunk bike I got. They got a hell bike and yeah. What do we have here? Whoa, that was quick actually. Alright. This is a 4X, bro. I ain't lying to you. I'm flying for them. This is a 4. Hold on. This ain't feeling real 4X. Nice cool keychain, Daytona helmets. Man, I know this 4X better fit. Right? Don't look that much bigger than the last. But we're finna see. 4X, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't believe me, can you see it? Let's see. And the inside. Four snacks. Focus, bro. There we go. 4X, man. Man, I'm fine. 4X don't fit, bro. I don't think. Kind of sophisticated. All right now. Now that's comfy. Okay. Okay. I'm ready to skedaddle, shorty. Send it. I'm ready to send that joint. And DOT approved. You see it on the back. DOT. I'm going for a fit shot. Come here, track shot. Rowdy. Little. Whoop. Let's come back because my little joint got to move on the front. Little visor. Little visor action. Okay. Visor on and off. What the people think? Visor on. It had a little rousel down. Whoa. Rousel down.
Several days later.
Let's see what we got here today. In the Merle. We got Merle. I want to show you my address. corner. Yeah, somewhere in Texas. I don't want to have to shoot nobody for no reason. Alright. Chain. Cleaner, 2 joints. Got these from Design for like $7. Need them for my pedal bikes and my dirt bikes. Supposed to have some more stuff, man. What other? Got some Pro Taper grips. Thought it was more blue. We do got the donuts on them though. New grips. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh, yeah. Oil, hopefully it didn't leak, man. I don't really want to have to bleed these brakes, bro. This oil leaked all over this, man. I'm gonna have to tell them this, and I don't even really want it. To be honest, man, I don't want no leaky ass. If it's leaking already, like, come on, man. Y'all gonna have to take this back. Don't trust it. Look at that. Like, straight out the box, just leaking. Like, you can see. If you can see how wet it is, all this oil on here, man. Come on, man. September 4th. It's been, tomorrow will be 2 weeks. It's 10:44, so it's basically 2 weeks. Still ain't got the bike running. Lost the keys. Mama say, oh, you stole the bike. No. I got video of me buying the bike. I got video of me turning the key, pressing the electric start. And now the electric start is useless because I lost the key. Bunch of problems with ordering the wrong parts and brakes. Bike sitting around almost 2 weeks. I'm about to drain the gas out of there because who knows I'm gonna get it running, but whatever. Got more parts for it. Let's see what we got. And buy the China bikes, they say. Buy the China bikes. Chain lube. I got plenty bikes. Well, not no more actually. I only got two pedal bikes and a couple dirt bikes now. 2 dirt bikes. Definitely need some of that. Probably tell what this is. Probably What the hell with this is, man? New rear tire for the POS. Piece of shit. China bike. It is 190/18 4PTT, and it's a Kenda. This is this. It's supposed to be like a street road hybrid type of joint. Dual sport. It's a Kenda 146/1025 K270. Dual sport rear tire. 110/90/18. Hold on. That's a 190/18, folks. Hold on, man.
Got him!
This say 190/18, folks. Bro, if they send me the wrong tire, bro, I am gonna be pissed. Cause I'm just tired of these places. First, oil leaking brakes, niggas. You can't be serious. I knew this wasn't it. How y'all send the wrong shit, folks? It says 110, bro. It says 110. I ain't tweaking. See that? 110/90/18. Come on, man. I ain't no expert in dirt bikes, but I just wanted at least the kind that came with it so I know it fit. Like, I don't know if that fit for sure now. Like, I don't even want to send it back, do none of that. Like, this shit just irritating, bro. Like, I'm just, I just want to learn to ride a dirt bike, alright?